I put a four on my speaking your language and love. I don't give a fuck, so I'm calling.
Wow, Alex got pulled over with 20 seconds to go into the ride. Wow. Hey, yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we are heading down to P2UNED's open house. Got out here earlier, cleaned the car up. We are going to go get some ethanol, and then we're gonna meet up with I guess around 6 to 8 other Supras, and then we're gonna cruise down to the shop together. Brought a couple cameras, so hopefully we get some good footage. Just kind of wanted to document the trip. So yeah, let's start it up and hit the road. Alright guys, so got a new mic for the GoPro. Hopefully this cuts out the wind noise when I'm driving with the windows open. We'll try it out. I know you guys get on me about not getting on the car, but it's really hard to do that when you're trying to film. I'll try to get on it a little bit today for you guys. Anyway, we just got ethanol in the car. We're gonna go head to the other gas station now to meet up with everybody. Rick might have blown his charge pipe on the way here, so we'll check that out, and we might have to run back to my place and get some tools to help him out. We'll go link up with everybody, check it out, and hopefully we can just put it back on with his tools that come with the Supra. So I'll catch you guys there. All right, here's the big group.
Following everybody on Instagram.
Yeah, we met him last weekend.
Yeah. Oh yeah? Yeah.
A couple more over there. And here's one.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Well, Rick, I was going to try to get it on camera, man. Hopefully on the way back.
We'll see. I mean, I'll see. Even on the way, I'm gonna try to get it and see if
maybe it reset or something.
But even if it did, then I'd rather problems go through that.
Nothing?
Well, no.
Oh, you got the
hooks, and I got. I put these on, so
yeah, that's smart.
They're the right
it's so
way.
Much better, right? Yeah. Those are the right ones to get.
Yeah, exactly.
Hopefully today you'll see some good 6-port cars, some 21s that are done up.
Oh, okay. With locked ECUs?
Yeah, there should be some cloned ones there. Hopefully.
Yeah, I cleaned it up pretty good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the carbon fiber edition. That's nice. We're still waiting on Alex and a couple others to come through.
Much as I miss my T37s, I used to have blue ones on my GTR, and I always see the pictures of all the gold and the blue.
Everyone,
I feel like this kind of stands out a lot. The black. You know,
I like the black. I always like black wheels. Rick's always getting on me about, oh, everyone's got black wheels. You got to change it up. I'm like, well, they just look good on my car. Definitely. It definitely makes the yellow look better when it has the black wheels and the black, all the accents. Because the stock yellow wasn't my favorite, but this looks better. And the dark tint, this looks good.
It's so funny. It's great to see all the, because I love blue, but I guess you can't find any blues.
Yeah, you can't find that one. There's no
on the highway, I'm gonna try again and see what happens.
There's no check engine light on or anything?
Nope, nothing. Car's driving like normal.
See what happens.
Hey, can I turn where? I'm going left, right?
Yeah, left.
What did I turn at?
Left,
Straight?
left.
Left here, okay.
Yeah, top on 70 West.
I want lately. Tryna argue, I'm good on my own lately. Rest so you know it gon' squirrel. My life moving fast, so I don't got time to heal. Independent, ain't signing no deal. They say I'm a star cause I'm shining for real. Yeah.
Up.
Yeah, I did that pull.
That was a good pull.
Yeah.
Back trying to get all the film, but so that whole charge pipe issue that we thought Rick might have had is resolved. It wasn't the charge pipe. I think it was just something with tune or something. But he turned it off, restarted the car, and he just did that hard pull, and everything's working out for him, so that's good. All right, guys, so we're about 20 minutes out from P2UNED. Just made it into Virginia, so we're just chilling. Got the convoy lined up. Yeah, we're just kind of cruising now. Virginia cops don't mess around. Wow, Alex got pulled over with 20 seconds to go into the ride. Wow.
See me on the scene, pop on my feet is all right like the bean. She wanna come back, whatever that means. I hate the cat cause I see through the screen. Call that little nigga Curry, he scoring with threes. Yeah. I think I'll be okay. I've been stacking my chips like it's Frito-Lays. And I don't want to see no hate. Lily love it, been fake, wanna see that face. I'm going fast in my life that I had to scoot over and chill and go over a lane. Swear the same niggas that hated my music in middle school be in my DM, they lame. I used to be known for breaking the rules. I pray to God I can't end up a fool. Lately been thinking I used to be chill with some people that hated my music in school.
I thought they were coming for me.
No, I thought I was coming for me.
Oh, I got scared. I downshifted the second.
Yeah. I got on and that motherfucker.
Oh, dude. Second.
Well, I have to do it because I bottom out if I don't aim.
If you don't aim right.
Oh man.
All of a sudden,
Dude, your exhaust setup sounds
nowhere.
Oh, the RK sounds good. Yeah. God.
Shit, I was like,
I was
fuck.
like, I was like, it was. Hey, you got a 1 in 8 chance.
I know.
Oh man. I was like, you got to be kidding me. 20 seconds until we get there. These are his seats.
Let me tag along.
Yeah. Oh man.
Man down.
Yeah, man. It was Alex. I didn't see him anywhere.
It's like I'm hitting like traction control. I'm literally killing all the boost.
Alex dude got yanked. Alex
I saw that. What happened? What did he do?
When we were coming, he was running coming, right? You know, we had to all fucking swerve to
make
angle
that dip. Yeah.
Really?
I thought he got me for when I got on it. Remember?
I accidentally downshifted to second next to Steve,
Well, we had
and then
traction off.
it was like what? And then I went to third, and and then I saw lights. I was like, and my heart sank because
I thought I was getting pulled over, but then he blew by me. I was like, and then it's right behind us. It ain't us. Usually, like every time we're together, we get pulled over.
That's funny.
So he gets right behind Alex and fucking just pulled him over.
I saw the lights because it was. I was like, fuck.
I know,
thought
we
he
got
saw me
on it.
Get on it. Yeah.
Steve took the inside lane on me,
Come from?
and I accidentally downshifted second. And then I went.
He must have came from like that.
He was
like,
at the light. He was behind us.
Oh man.
A couple cars back. So that's why nobody probably saw it. I didn't even see him.
But I'm like, we had just turned. How could?
Because I think he would have been chill, but
Well, I'm glad Nick was behind me because you saw when I got on it. The car went.
Yeah. So.
And then I saw the lights. I was like, oh shit.
call back me.
Oh
I saw
man.
you drifted. Right. That's what I was like. I was like, oh man, he about to get me.
Oh,
And then I saw
man.
him pull somebody else. I was like, yeah.
Here's the R8. Norris's twin turbo setup. What's up, Norris?
What's up, man?
It's on him. guys, so we just left P2UNED. Pretty good turnout today. We'll try to get some footage on the way home. Alright guys, coming back down through Harper's Ferry. Really nice drive out to P2UNED. Hopefully the water cools us off, man. It's hotter than it was calling for. It's about 82 degrees. It was saying like high of 73. Alright guys, so just get back home now. That's gonna pretty much do it for this video. Got a lot of editing to do tonight, get this video out for you guys, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.